It was a stark warning by the German health authorities that the third wave of coronavirus infections could be the worst, pushing intensive care units to the brink.
Momentan steigen die Zahlen zu schnell.
At the moment, the numbers are rising too fast and the virus variants make the situation particularly dangerous. If this continues unchecked, we run the risk that our healthcare system will reach its breaking point during April.
Cases are up by 35% in Poland, where hospitals are caring for more COVID-19 patients than at any time during the pandemic. While over the past week, Hungary, which has imported most brands of vaccines available, had the world's highest COVID-19 death rate, according to population. There's concern in many countries across Europe. The government in France is on high alert. Daily cases have nearly doubled since the start of March. 16 regional areas are already under tight restrictions, and 3 more were added on Saturday. More than 4,700 people are being treated in intensive care in France, the highest number this year, and close to the peak of the second wave in November.
We can describe the situation as catastrophic. We weren't really expecting a resurgence as fast and intense as this. Right now, we're overwhelmed by severe cases. Many of the patients are younger than last time, and we don't know how long this wave will last.
And while governments are struggling to contain this surge in new infections, they're also wary of their populations, who are increasingly unhappy with even more restrictions and a slow vaccine rollout. German Chancellor Angela Merkel had to call off a planned 5-day lockdown over the upcoming Easter holiday after a public backlash. EU leaders have directed their frustrations at the Anglo-Swedish company AstraZeneca for holding up their vaccination campaigns, this after it failed to deliver the promised doses. Last week, the EU also gave tentative backing to tougher restrictions on vaccine exports, wanting more supplies to stay within the bloc. Contractors in the Netherlands and Germany have been given the green light to start producing vaccines, which may help ease the backlog. But it won't shift the narrative that's taken hold, that Europe's leaders are failing to get to grip with a situation that is costing more and more lives. Francis Collings, TRT World, Paris.